Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I figured I would create a summer glowy drugstore makeup look because you guys know I love the nice glowy skin. It's summertime, so I kind of figured why not create a fun, simple yet glowy kind of like makeup tutorial. So that's what we'll be doing today. So starting off with the eyes, I'm just going to take my Essence Fire eyeshadow palette and I'm going to take the orange shade right here and just throw that into my crease as my crease color. And you can actually get this eyeshadow palette right at Ulta, or you can get it at CVS because Essence is sold at CVS as well. So choice is yours. All right, going back into the Essence Fire eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna take this really pretty like reddish orange color right here and just add that to my crease as well. Whatever is left on the brush, I'm just going to drag it down because I'm not going to add a color in my outer V today. So I'm just going to drag this down on my lid as well. All right, and then for my lid color, I'm going to take the Essence Ciao Venezia eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna dive into this really pretty color right here. It's like a really pretty corally kind of like shimmer shade. It's really pretty. Just gonna take that as my lid color for today's look. And both of these palettes that I'm using, they retail for both $20 each, so not a bad price point for their palettes because the color payoff is pretty nice for their eyeshadow palettes. And I just kind of feel like you can definitely choose which eyeshadow palette suits your needs in terms of like what complexion, in terms of what eyeshadow shades you like and prefer. So definitely check it out. All right, going back into that same brush from earlier, I'm just gonna blend out these harsh lines. All right, just want to pump the brakes on the eyes and jump into the face. I'm going to take my E.L.F. Hydrating Primer Serum and just use it to prime my face. I'm going to take my Believe Beauty Radiantly Prime Face Primer and just apply it to the high points of my cheeks where I would typically apply my highlighter. Just going to take a small amount and just dot that on the high points of my cheeks. All right, going into my foundation, I'm going to take the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiant Foundation, and I am in the color called F13. It's not like my perfect shade, but I just make it work because their shade range isn't like the best. It's not the worst either, but it's just the closest thing to my skin complexion. All right, I'm gonna take my Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer, and I have it in the shade called Deep. Just gonna use it to conceal under my eyes. And I honestly was trying to find some more of their products in Walmart to kind of give like their brand a try, and y'all, they were not in Walmart anymore, so I'm not sure what's happening with that brand because I don't really see them in terms of like on Instagram, and they're not really like dropping products like how other brands will like drop new products all the time. Like, I don't know what's happening with them, but I really wanted to give some more of their products a try, but I don't know. I may have to order it online, but y'all know how I feel about ordering things online. I don't like to do it, but I'm just gonna try another Walmart and see if another Walmart have it. But the two that I went to did not have it there at all, so I'm assuming they're probably out of Walmart altogether. And please excuse my breakouts. I told you guys from wearing the mask that my skin is just going crazy, so excuse my skin. I am working on it. All right, and to set under my eyes, I'm just gonna take my Airspun loose face powder. And for the rest of my face, I'm gonna cheat on this one product. I'm gonna use my Sephora Microsmooth in the color called Deep, only because I really like how this make my skin look in terms of making it look really like radiant and pretty. It's super lightweight, so I just wanted to use this product in today's video. I was gonna do like a summer makeup look, kind of like using both like high-end and drugstore makeup, but I was like, you know what, let me just kind of stick to my drugstore makeup for this video. But I will definitely film a video where I kind of incorporate both drugstore and high-end on my channel really soon, because you guys know I bought a new foundation. It's not new on the market, it's just new to me, so cannot wait to do that really soon for you guys. All right, going back into the eyes, I'm gonna take the Essence Fire eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna mix these two shades from earlier, the orange shade and that red shade, and just run it under my lower lash line. Then for my inner tear duct, I'm just going to take that same color from earlier that we used on our lid and just pop that in my inner tear duct. Alright, so jumping on into the face, I do have the new shade for the Revolution Ultra Matte Bronzer that I showed you guys in like a couple videos like back a couple months ago. So I did go back and I got the shade called Medium. So I kind of figured I would just try this shade out. I already tried out the bronzer before, really like the bronzer, but here is the packaging on it, this really cute rose gold color. And I told you guys, like, it's a huge packaging, and even medium looks really dark. The shade range runs from light to medium, and again, it looks kind of dark, so I'm gonna tread really light-handed with this because the last one was super dark. So as you guys can see, it's super pigmented. And let's see. It still looks a little cool tone against my skin complexion. But I don't know. I still feel like I have that look like I got punched in the face that I had the last time when I used the bronzer. So yeah, I'm not sure about this one yet. I'll have to actually see what it looks like in like natural light, because with, you know, cameras and lighting and different things like that, it could look different in natural lighting. But just looking at it right now, it just looks very like dark and gray, but we'll see. All right, and for blush, I do have my Milani Baked Powder Blush in the one called Sunset Passion. And this blush is so freaking pretty, especially for like the spring and summertime. It is so pretty, and I'm surprised I haven't used this like this year in a video. So I figured I would just pull it out for today's look. And it's like a real subtle wash of color on the cheeks. All right, you guys, moving on into the highlighter palette. I'm gonna take the E.L.F. Gleam Glow Gleam Beam powder palette, which looks like this, just to highlight my face. And I'm actually gonna take today, I'm gonna take this color right here and use it to highlight my face. And then for the lips, I'm just going to take my Hard Candy Glosstopia Ultimate Lip Shine. It's going to be in the color called Bronze Gem. And I'm also going to take my E.L.F. Lip Plumping Gloss in the one called Champagne Glam, which looks like this. I'm just going to take the Hard Candy one and use it as my base. Then I'm going to take the E.L.F. Plumping Gloss and put it right in the center. Alright, you guys, this is pretty much going to be the completed look. Hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me as I created my summer drugstore makeup tutorial. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give it 2 thumbs up. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.